Good day to you. In my car with my cigar. I'm enjoying this Ghost. You know, some days I need a little more. I refer to it as girth. And this one seems to give me a little bit extra kick. So I go into my day. Today I want to talk with you about, and pretty much ask you a question. Why don't you talk to yourself? You could probably go on a list of things that you never said to yourself, no one ever said to you, and no one ever said to anyone else. You know that moment that you have when you're doing something that's way out of character, and you're doing something that is way away from the way you did it before. You're making a wrong turn. You're grabbing the wrong tie. You're grabbing the wrong slacks. You hung up an important phone call, and you stop and you say to yourself, what was I thinking? Sometimes you need to take a moment and counsel yourself. David said he, according to the Bible, encouraged himself. And sometimes you need to counsel yourself. You need to have a conversation and remind yourself of what the true focus is, what the real responsibility is. Is it money? If it is, it can't be the primary thing. It can't be only about money. You find yourself doing certain jobs and you're not doing it as you should. You're just doing it to get by because the bottom line is that you're going to receive this or you're going to receive that. So the challenge for you is to do quality work and maintain your good name. Because money will throw you off focus. Is it to get attention? A lot of people like this platform, these platforms to be seen, and they're out of character, or they're many characters in order to make themselves be perceived as being all-knowing. They step into this venue, they step into that venue, they want to talk about social responsibility, then they want to talk about athletics, then they want to talk about education, and then they want, they're all over the place, and they want to look to be knowledgeable. Well, they're doing it for fame. And some people are doing it to be seen or to be popular. As another form of fame, that is finding yourself a young lady and trying to impress a young man, and that's the challenge. So my word to you is, before, that's my ghetto anthem. I refer to the hood when Sometimes the sirens go off, the ambulance. But let's get back to our focus. Sometimes we get caught up in the idea of being or appearing to be someone. So, back to the subject is take a moment every day and talk to yourself. What are you doing? Where are you going? What are your plans? What do you expect to get out of this? Remind yourself, be kind, be nice, because you're going to run into some episodes, some situations where somebody is going to be difficult. And you need to take a moment to talk to yourself and say, be kind, be respectful, don't lose yourself in this situation. So the question you need to be asking yourself and ask your friends, why don't you talk to yourself? This is Mr. Dad Tate, Arnold Mr. Dad Tate, Mr. Tate, in my car with my cigar. Like this video, share it, like and share, and get caught up on all things in my car and my cigar, and also check us out in the Family Friend videos. Appreciate everything you do for us. Bye now.